Sandy. What ride are we on? Huh? That one? That's all you're gonna say is that one.
Inside the vehicle.
We put English.
Yes.
Now what are we doing?
Well, it takes an hour.
Yeah.
The sliding doors in your time machine are closed.
Mars in
During
the
your
park
slow moving journey,
Yeah.
your time machine will slowly rotate backwards and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times.
I'm scared.
Now let's move ahead to ancient Egypt, because something is about to happen here that will change the future forever. The unknown Egyptian pounding reeds flat is inventing papyrus. Papyrus creates First, they establish public schools, and then begin teaching an intriguing subject called mathematics. And with math comes mechanical technology and the birth of the high-tech life we enjoy today.
Monis, Fin, Sofia, et Lidu Catatifer. Uranos, Teie, Catercun Mal Amistir. Getiol, Lirne, Acoti Mathematikin, Sofia. Prosperati. Terrisu tempos, y Mathematikin, Conductor.
We lessons learned from the Greeks, the Romans create a powerful empire. To move their armies around, they build a system of roads all over the known world. Rome built the first worldwide road, and it's leading us into the United States. The great library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed, lost forever. Or so we think. It turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Call it the first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. Here in Europe, monks toil endlessly recording books by hand. But that is about to change. Gutenberg invents the movable type printing press. Now knowledge can travel as fast as these new books, and travel they do. Easier to invent the future in every field. And the result is an incredible explosion of innovation we call the Renaissance. Just at the beginning. Now, communication technology races headlong into the future. And people all over the world are sharing life's most important moments faster than ever before.
Mandatory income. Hundreds gathered today to witness the driving of the golden spike.
Number 1, Jesse Owens makes America proud with 4 gold medals at the 96th Atomic University.
Communicating from anywhere on Earth. And in 1969,
Jesse
from
Owens
somewhere
is history. This Sunday
to send a man to the moon, we had to invent a new language, spoken not by man, but by computers. At first, I had large, very expensive. To have one of these amazing ships in their own. After 30,000 years of time travel, here we are, a truly global community, poised to shape the future of this, our spaceship Earth.
Return to Earth. Your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention. You are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers. Please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth. Preparation for your return to Earth. Your time machine is rotating backward. Attention.
For the first time in history, all of us can have a say about the kind of world we want to live in. The choices we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now, it's your turn.
Well, that one. Keep your hands with I'll take your.
Yeah, that was cool.
Bye.
Bye.